Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of our awesome content. Today, we're taking a look at the 140/180/200 cm Yoga Sliding Mat Sport Fitness Glide Pilates Skating Training Board Mat for Ice Hockey Roller Skating Leg Exercise. This versatile mat is perfect for anyone looking to take their workouts to the next level. With its 140/180/200 cm length, this mat is ideal for a wide range of exercises, from yoga and Pilates to skating and hockey training. Its smooth surface and durable construction make it perfect for sliding, gliding, and skating exercises, allowing you to engage your leg muscles in a whole new way. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast looking for a new challenge or an athlete looking to improve your skating and hockey skills, this mat is the perfect addition to your workout routine. It's lightweight and portable, making it easy to take with you wherever you go, so you can stay active and keep pushing your limits no matter where life takes you. So if you're ready to take your workouts to the next level and step up your game, be sure to check out the 140/180/200 cm Yoga Sliding Mat Sport Fitness Glide Pilates Skating Training Board Mat for Ice Hockey Roller Skating Leg Exercise. Click the link in the description to get your hands on one today and start seeing the results for yourself. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.